Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll first confirm prerequisites and start enabling the assistant now. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and that the Google app is installed. This ensures compatibility. Grant microphone and location permissions so voice recognition and contextual replies work. Then open Settings, go to Apps, select Default Apps, and set your Assist app to Google or another assistant you prefer. Once done, you're ready for the initial voice activation test to verify the assistant responds to your wake phrase. Next, activate and personalize behavior so the assistant fits your routine. Use voice match to train the assistant to your voice. This reduces false triggers and improves accuracy. Then customize sensitivity and lock screen access in assistant settings so it works when you want and stays secure when you don't. Link accounts like calendar and email and connect smart home services to enable contextual commands and routines. Make sure to test a calendar query and a routine trigger to confirm account linking and permissions are correct. Finally, start using voice commands and build routines to save time. You can say navigation, send a message, set reminders, or control lights. Routines combine those into single phrases. To create a routine, open Assistant Settings, tap Routines, add triggers and actions, and save. If things go wrong, check microphone permissions, test the mic with voice recorder, ensure the Google app and OS are updated, and reboot the device. These steps fix most recognition and connectivity issues. If needed, rerun voice match to recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.